Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So, tignan natin. Ang mga first message ninyo is purification, Libra. And by the way, Libra, I would like to say hi muna and shout out sa ating beloved channel member na si Atnel0929. Hello po, and maraming salamat sa inyong support sa channel. So, this is what you really need right now, siguro, Libra, no? To purify yourself. Purify your energy field, no? Kasi baka, bag down ka, negative siguro negative thoughts, negative feelings, emotions ang alam mo yun, meron ka ngayon, kaya kailangan mong i-purify ang sarili mo to let go of that. Okay? Let's just always focus on what is positive. Let's always focus on what is good, ano makakabuti, ano makakaganda sa ating sitwasyon. Okay, Libra? So, what else? We have trust. Ayan, magtiwala ka. Alright? Magtiwala kayo. May plano ang Panginoon para sa bawat isa sa atin. Meron tayong plano, meron tayong sa bawat isa, at meron tayong meron tayong guidance lagi, no? Kaya yan ay importanteng lagi nating papakinggan at susundin ang gabay para you will be led, no, towards the right path or towards the right direction. And minsan siguro may mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na ayaw natin or hindi natin kagustuhan, but magtiwala lang tayo sa divine universe because that is part of the divine plan, that is part of our soul's growth, 'di ba? May mga sitwasyon sa buhay natin na kahit ayaw natin ito, hindi ito yung ini-expect natin, but that's what happens. It's because it is part of our soul's journey. 'Di ba? Lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin may rason at may dahilan 'yan. Kaya magtiwala lang tayo. Okay? So, what else? We have embracing. Ayan. So, siguro, you are going to embrace life. Diba? You are going to embrace what is happening sa buhay. Siguro, hindi na din kayo magke-question, hindi na rin kayo magtatanong, hindi na rin kayo magdadalawang isip, 'di ba, na i-embrace kung ano man ang mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Yung bang there is a sense of surrender, no? So siguro you're just going to surrender everything to God, no? At hindi mo nakikwestiyonan whatever it is that is happening in your life. Because you're just going to trust, no, the divine. You're just going to trust your destiny, no? So, that's good. So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages ni Libra. So, we have doubt. I release the need to know all the answers. Okay? So, I release the need to know all the answers. Siguro, ang iba sa inyo rito, is having doubts. Okay? Maaari ng iba sa inyo rito, meron kayong mga pagdududa sa kung anumang bagay, no? Maaaring nagdududa ka sa sarili mo, nagdududa ka sa decision mo, maaaring nagdududa ka sa plano mo, yung mga gano'n, ano? So, sana alisin na natin yon. Sana tanggalin na natin yon. And let's just surrender, okay? Let's just embrace what is happening. Let's just surrender everything to the divine. And let's ask for guidance. Let's ask for clarity of thought. Let's ask for whatever is, let's ask for whatever is happening, 'di ba? Kasi ang importante din, no, habang tayo magsusurrender or magtiwala lang tayo sa divine universe habang ginagawa natin 'yan. Let's listen, no? Let's listen to our intuition so that, 'di ba, magabayan tayo ano lang dapat nating anong dapat nating isipin, anong dapat nating gawin, alright? At yun, pag may tiwala tayo, 'di ba? At nagsusurrender tayo sa divine universe, most likely, yung mga pagdududa natin sa ating sarili, yung mga doubts natin that will fade away. So what else? We have happiness. I am aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. Alright? So, maging masaya tayo, Libra. Alright? Maging masaya tayo. Maging masaya kayo kasi maraming biyaya, 'di ba, ang dumadating sa buhay natin. There are different kinds of blessings. Blessings comes in different forms, 'di ba, sa buhay natin. Kaya mas mabuting maging masaya na lang tayo. Alright? So, what else? We have change. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without a movement. Alright? So, may pagbabagong magaganap. There is a change that is about to happen sa buhay ninyo. Alright? At ang pagbabagong ito, diba, mangyayari lang yan if you are going to take action. 'Di ba? Kasi 'yun, hindi rin magbabago ang ating sitwasyon if we're not going to do anything about it. Kung mayroon tayong gustong baguhin, it's not gonna happen if we are not going to move, 'di ba? Or to make a move. Ayan. So kaya maaring mabisi kayo, maaring iba't ibang bagay dito ang pupuwede ninyong gawin. So good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.